All right, this is our shortcut for converting metric measurements. We talked about this in lesson 4, and we talked about multiplying and dividing by powers of 10. This is the shortcut, or a different way to look at it. So we have two vital questions that we're going to ask us each time that we are making a conversion. How many hops and in which direction? You'll notice we're using the same chart that we had on our first video. This is the one for meters. And the easiest way to do this is with an actual example. So we'll just jump right in. Instead of asking what power of 10 and should we multiply or divide, we're simply going to be asking how many hops and in which direction. If we are changing 245 millimeters into meters, so which direction are we moving on the chart? We're starting at millimeters and we're going to meters. So we've moved left. We went from the right to the left. So our decimal place is what is going to be moving with this shortcut. We're just going to be focusing on where that decimal place is. Wherever it is, we're going to move it to the left because we've moved to the left on the chart. How many times are we going to move it? That's our hops question. How many hops? So to go from millimeter to meter, we hop 1, 2, 3 times. So if we move 3 times to the left, you might be thinking, wait a minute, where is the decimal? I don't see a decimal. Remember, that means it's silently sitting at the end of the number if there's not one visible. So we're going to hop 3 times to the left or move our decimal 3 times to the left. So 1, 2, 3. So 245 millimeters is equivalent to 245 thousandth of a meter, or 0.245 meters. Let's look at another example. And again, it doesn't matter whether you're using meters, liters, or grams. The chart works the same way for you. So let's look at this example of 50 liters changing it to milliliters. All right, so remember our two questions. How many hops and in which direction? So we're going from liter, see, to milliliter. So we're moving to the right. So our decimal will hop to the right. How many times will it hop? 1, 2, 3. So it'll hop 3 to the right. Once again, I don't see a decimal place, so it's sitting behind the 50. And we will have to hop it 3 times to the right, which means it's going to be 50,000. 50 liters is equivalent to 50,000 milliliters. So that's the shortcut. Instead of thinking of it as multiplying and dividing, we simply think of it as moving our decimal place. We're doing the same thing, just in a different way of looking at it. All right, good luck, everybody.